Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Mint Intuit account. So if you want to change your username on Mint Intuit, then the process is quite straightforward. Start off by open a web browser and into the URL box type in mint.intuit.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official site for Intuit. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will take you to the sign in page. Here you'll need to select an account of yours or use a different account and enter your credentials correct, and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Soon after you are logged in, go and click on the Intuit account tab at the bottom left hand corner. This will then open up this manager account interface. Scroll down and click on the profile icon. Now you can go ahead and edit some of your personal information such as your username, your date of birth, occupation and address. To change your username, click on the name tab and then enter your first name. After you are done entering the first name that you'd like to change to, you can also go ahead and edit your last name. Finally, click on save and you'll be able to change your username right away. So that's how you can easily change your name or your username on Mint Intuit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.